Steve Sorenson at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, located at Route 30 and Route 45 in downtown Frankfort. Had a customer that had a problem with their 2018-2019 Equinox. With their new design of the 2018-19 Equinox, they changed the radios on us. And he was a big fan. He was from New York, and he was a big fan of the Howard Stern show. And Howard Stern programming on XM radio is considered explicit radio, and some of the comedy stations are too. So he couldn't get it to dial in. He paid for a full subscription to XM. So wanted to show you, if you're ever having this problem and you're wondering why there's a gap in some of your stations, here's what you need to do. First of all, let's go to home, and we're going to go to audio. And I want to show you that we got a 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and then it's going to jump after, well, actually, I actually have it backwards. Go to settings, go to audio, and you can page down here, and there's this thing called Explicit Content Filter. If you hit this and turn it on, what it's going to do, it's going to block these stations from coming on your radio. So if the kids go down the road, you don't want them listening to these stations, you can, deep in the radio, you can actually put this on to where the kids won't be listening to it. So if I go to audio, if I go to 93, 98, and it jumps to 105, so all your explicit channels are gone. So once again, go to home, go to settings, go to radio, audio, excuse me, go down, explicit content filter, take it off or turn it on. Can hide your bad radio stations that you don't want the kids listening to. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Steve Sorenson, Phillips Chevrolet, 815-469-2323, extension 398. Have a great day.